Hey Dave,
Yeah?
what did the fish say when it hit the wall?
What?
Damn. So what doesn't hit a wall is our router. This is what we use to cut out our logos and letters out of acrylic and metal for our signs. So what you'll see in a moment is the process of us cutting out a large letter H for our customer H Mart here in Dallas out of a 1/4 inch acrylic for use in one of their logo signs.
I'll just put it in for now. We can make some space for it.
So you've just seen the process of how we cut out our letters. When you're looking for a sign company, make sure that they have all of their fabrication and manufacturing in-house. The benefits to you are flexibility if changes come along, price control because you're cutting out the middleman, and quality control so we can make sure it's perfect before it leaves the shop. So when you're looking for a sign, call us here at Texas Pro Signs.